I searched for how to buy shares of Andfjord Salmon Group AS, a Norwegian aquaculture company focused on sustainable salmon farming. It is listed on Euronext as ANDF.OL, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker ANDFOL to locate the correct listing. Choose the result that clearly shows Andfjord Salmon Group AS on Euronext. On the stock page, check the company's summary and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Verify the name and ticker match Andfjord Salmon Group AS and ANDFOL. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will be queued until trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before finalizing. Once filled, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro with the steps shown is provided in the description if you want to follow along.